Do you want to build a loyal following on social media in just 30 days? In this short video, I'll share some tips on how to get that. By the way, send me a message and I'll get you access to a step-by-step guide for building a strong and engaged following in just 30 days. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas that you can implement right away after watching my videos. Let's get started. The first step in building a loyal following is to genuinely engage with your audience. Social media is not a one-way street. It's an opportunity for meaningful interactions. So take the time to respond to comments, address their concerns, and show appreciation for their support. Actively like and share their posts to foster a sense of community. By actively participating in conversations and providing valuable responses, you establish a connection with your followers that goes beyond the transactional nature of business. Remember, engagement is not limited to reacting to comments or messages. Being proactive by initiating conversations or asking questions, seeking feedback, or encouraging UGC or user-generated content. By sparking discussions and inviting your followers to share their opinions and experiences, you create a sense of belonging and make them feel valued. In turn, they are more likely to remain loyal and become advocates of your brand. The key is to be genuine, attentive, and consistently present and foster a thriving online community. Consistency is a fundamental aspect of building a loyal following on social media. Your audience should come to expect a certain level of quality and consistency in your content. This includes maintaining a consistent brand voice, visual aesthetics, and posting schedule. By delivering content that aligns with their expectations, you establish trust and familiarity, which are essential for building loyalty. However, consistency alone is not enough. Authenticity is equally vital. People are drawn to genuine personalities and stories, so don't be afraid to showcase your brand's personality, share behind-the-scenes moments, and provide a glimpse into the human side of your business. Share success stories, but also discuss failures and challenges. When you demonstrate transparency and vulnerability, your audience can relate to you on a deeper level, fostering a sense of trust and authenticity. To create a sense of value for your followers, offer them content and experiences that they can't find anywhere else. Exclusive content provides an incentive for users to follow and engage with your brand, as they feel rewarded for their loyalty. Consider offering sneak peeks of upcoming products or services, insider access to events, early access to sales or promotions, or exclusive discounts for social media followers. These benefits make your followers feel special and recognized, fostering a deeper sense of connection and loyalty. Focus on providing value with your content. Share educational resources, practical tips, industry insights, and thought-provoking content that positions you as an expert in your field. By consistently delivering content that informs, inspires, or entertains your audience, you establish yourself as a go-to resource, keeping your followers engaged and hungry for more. Remember, building a loyal following is not just about what you gain from your audience, but also about what you give them in return. So by offering exclusive content and adding value to their lives, you create a relationship where loyalty and advocacy will flourish. So strive to exceed their expectations and demonstrate that you genuinely care about their experience with your brand. Your commitment to their satisfaction and well-being will foster a loyal and enthusiastic following. I hope that helps. Send me a message and I'll get you access to a step-by-step guide for building a strong and engaged following in just 30 days. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.